Before the workshop, the story begins with the animal itself. These distinctive horns are made of keratin, the same structural protein found in human hair and nails. A horn is not a solid block of bone. Its outer structure is a tough keratin sheath surrounding an internal core. For responsible manufacturing, the material must come from lawful and traceable sources. The horns are handled as a material for processing, not obtained by harming living animals.
First, we inspect the horn for cracks, weak areas, and the overall shape before it enters processing.
Cleaning removes surface residue and gives the worker a clearer view of the horn's natural condition. After cleaning, the material is dried under controlled conditions, so excess moisture does not interfere with later processing.
Before cutting, each piece is measured and marked according to the section needed for the intended product.
Once the cutting line is confirmed, a controlled machine cut separates the usable section from the rest of the horn. After separation, the section is trimmed so its edges are clean and ready for the next stage of shaping.
Before shaping, unwanted inner material is removed so the workable outer horn layer can be prepared.
Controlled heat can make horn more workable, allowing skilled workers to reshape the material without treating it like ordinary rigid plastic. Controlled pressure gradually changes the curved material into a flatter, workable section suitable for further fabrication.
Sanding gradually smooths the surface while preserving the natural pattern and character of the horn.
Not every section has the same appearance, so the most suitable pieces can be selected for visible parts of the final design. The prepared horn is now cut into carefully measured panels that can become visible parts of the handbag. Each edge is refined carefully because clean edges are essential when separate pieces are joined into a finished design. The horn is only one part of the bag. Leather and lining components provide the structure and support needed for assembly. Forming gives the panels the controlled curve needed to follow the shape of the finished handbag. Once the components are aligned, they are joined carefully to create the basic structure of the handbag. Careful stitching secures the supporting material while keeping the seams clean and consistent around the structured body. Hardware and the handle are added next, giving the bag its functional closures and carrying structure. Final polishing refines the surface and brings out the natural variations that make each horn piece visually different. Before finishing, every visible surface, seam, and hardware connection is checked for quality and consistency. From a naturally sourced horn material to a carefully finished handbag, every stage combines preparation, shaping, craftsmanship, and detailed finishing.